One.
A long time ago, there was a city called Nineveh. The people there did not know God, and they were very, very bad. Ooh, scary. There was also a man named Jonah who knew and loved God. God told Jonah to go to Nineveh and give the people a warning. What? I don't want to go. They are all sinners and they all deserve to be destroyed. Ooh, interesting. He looks very much like these people in the bad city of Nineveh. Anyways, Jonah did not obey God and tried to run away. Jonah tried to run away from God as far as possible. Reaching the town of Joppa, Jonah paid some sailors to take him across the sea to Tarshish. Because Jonah was not obeying God, God sent a storm to punish Jonah. The waves got very big.
Ah! We're all gonna die! Quick, throw everything into the sea. Jonah, have you done something to make your God angry?
Yes, the God who created the heavens, earth, and the sea told me to do something. I didn't want to do it, so I'm running away.
Why would you do that? What should we do now so we do not die?
Well, just throw me into the sea then.
No!
Yes. Finally, the sailors threw Jonah into the sea. God sent a big fish to swallow Jonah. Immediately the storm went away and the sailors believed in God. Jonah was in the fish for 3 days and 3 nights. There were icky seaweed, lots of water, and I'm sure it did not smell nice. Jonah thought he was going to die, and he finally prayed to God. Oh, forgive me, God. I'm so sorry. I tried to hide from you. Do you hear me, God? I will obey whatever you tell me to do. God told the fish to spit out Jonah onto the shore. Oh no! I'm back where I started. God told Jonah again to go to Nineveh. Yes, God, I will go to Nineveh. God told Jonah to tell the people in Nineveh that they had 40 days before God would destroy them and their city. You have 40 days before God will destroy you and your city.
Oh no, we're sorry, God. We're very sorry.
We will turn to you and stop being bad.
Even the king was sorry and had the entire city not eat or drink anything. God heard their cries and saw that they were very, very sorry. So God did not destroy them or the city.
Thank you, God.
We will serve you from now on.
I can't believe God saved them. They were doing bad things. They should have been destroyed. Hey, Jonah, you disobeyed God, and God saved you. And so no matter how bad anyone has ever been, God will show great compassion to anyone who asks for His forgiveness.